So what if you're at the beginning of your year or maybe the middle of the year and you have a student leave your classroom or you have a new student coming in? How do you manage your students? Well, from your home screen where you have your teacher um, page lined up, go up here to the top right hand corner where the wrench is and click on your wrench and scroll down where it says students, and you can manage your students from there. Click the link, and in here you can either at the bottom you can add a student or you can scroll down to remove a student. I created one earlier just to practice some different things. So I'm going to delete this student. This student's going to move away. It happens to be me, but that's okay. And I'm going to the at the top it says the student's name is me, so I know this is the right student that I want to deal with. Click at the bottom of the box where it says remove student from class. It will ask you to make sure you're really sure about all of that, and you can go ahead and click remove. And now as I scroll through, you'll notice that that student is gone. If I happen to have a student move in, I can just click in the add a student at the bottom here, and I'll add my daughter's name just for the fun of it, and I'll add her. Now when she comes up, I see that her icon is the same as another student. So I can go right over here to her panel and I can change her icon by clicking on her icon and choosing a brand new one. She has a hamster. We'll use that one. And hopefully, then click set icon. There. And we've got that. I'm finished with that. I can go backwards to the rest of my screen. And there I have Adrienne added to the class list. And she's got the mouse, hamster, rodent critter thing. And once I'm finished, I can X out. And my student and class is complete. And I can also click out of here then. All right, there you go.